today we are making super yummy, super easy and just some ingredients soup. And we are making beetroot soup with kefir. You will ask, what is kefir? Kefir is cultured milk. It's a little bit the same like buttermilk or the plain yogurt. For this recipe you need to use plain yogurt, which is like drinking yogurt without sugar. We don't need any sugar. It's not because I don't like sugar, but because this will be the savory soup and we don't need any sugar in it. And or if in the perfect way, you need the kefir. Sometimes you can find the kefir in Polish stores or some Russian stores. You need to check out. Or if you are vegan, you just need to use this plant-based yogurt with the good bacteria, because the basic element in the kefirs or the yogurt is the good bacteria. But what we need more, we need some beetroot. There is 500 grams, but I think we will use just half, and 1 cucumber. We need fresh dill, or you can use a fresh basil as well, or fresh parsley, or fresh some kind of green, these things. And of course we need some eggs. Okay, who don't like the eggs or who don't eat the eggs, or vegans, you can use substitute tofu. It will be great. I cooked my eggs just on the pan, both sides, with salt and pepper and some thyme. You can cook no, these are cooked eggs, but you can boil your eggs as well. But I think with cooked eggs, they are some special kick for this recipe. Okay, we need some acidity. I use lime juice. You can use the lemon juice as well, or a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We need, of course, salt and pepper. And there is a basil, dried basil from my granny's garden. It's just from summertime, but you can use from the shop as well. But I strongly recommend, if you have a fresh basil, you can freely use, and I suggest you to use a fresh basil. I don't care if it's green or this is a purple one. Okay, what we need to do, we need to take first we will take the beetroot. It's boiled beetroot. I don't boil them. I just bought in my supermarket a boiled one, but you can boil at your house if you have, for example, raw beetroot. And just take off the skin and started to grate them. I think we will grate to this bigger one. If you have kids at home, you can give this work to them. It will be a little bit longer process, but it will be fun. They can make food with you. Or you have lazy husband, you can put to this job him as well. Okay, this is one. Okay, take one more. And now my beetroots are flying away, but it's okay. That's why we can clean up with that. Okay, I don't know why I'm so stressed today. Because spring is outside. And I don't can. Okay. Okay. I think we used 2 large beetroots, and it's approximately 350 grams. You just need to fastly wash your hands. Ta-da! Okay, then we need to peel our cucumber. Take really nice freshly cooked cucumber. Okay, if you have really good, for example, organic or from your garden, you can put the skin on, but this is good really cucumber as well, but I don't really like the skins. That's why it will be gone. Okay, this cucumber is just normal size. This is called English cucumber. But for example, if you have smaller one, you can use 2 or 3 smaller cucumbers as well. And started to cut. What I need to remind you that you need to cut this cucumber and grate the beetroot, but you need to check out how much you will get there, because sometimes it's more and sometimes it's less. You just need check it out. Okay, then we make some slides. Be careful and with your fingers. Okay, and then we make some sticks, and then just we make the cubes. If you like sticks, some small sticks or some other figures, you can leave them what kind of you like. Maybe some will ask, can I grate the cucumber? Of course you can grate, but then your soup will be a little bit mushier. I don't like this, that's why I like where there's some cubes and some texture. Okay. You know, while we are cutting our cucumber, we need to put here approximate tablespoon of juice, lime juice, lemon juice, salt, pepper, because while we are cutting the cucumber, this beetroot will marinate a little bit. It will be really nice. I need to go to shop. I need to buy some pepper. If you want to go to shop with me, just write on the comments and you will see what is my week shop list. Okay, we will put the basil. Okay. Oh, you know how it smells? It smells like summertime. Put some thyme as well. I like thyme. If you don't like thyme, or if you have freshly thyme, you need to use freshly. Remember, if you have freshly one greens that you need to. Oh no, this I will put back. It's after, and I need to little bit to mix it. And just set aside for some minute till you cut your cucumber. Don't worry if you just put this after you cut your cucumber or before. I don't care. Okay, now we need to transport our cucumbers. Whoops. Here. And I just cut the half of cucumber, but you need to check out your mixture. I think I put this half as well. Okay. And then the sticks. You can make this kind of cutting as well, if you prefer, or some larger cubes. It depends how you would like to eat them in your soup. Okay. And if you think this is really boring soup, you're so wrong. Because this is really nice soup. You have plenty of vegetable there. Not plenty, but the most part of the vegetable. This yogurt or kefir or plant-based yogurt is good because there's good bacteria in it. And eggs is good because it's more protein. And I think it's a really nice lunch or dinner idea. Of course, in winter time, I think you don't want to eat this soup so much because it's cold soup. And in winter time, we want more warm soups. But if your winter is 25 degrees, you can eat this soup as well. Okay, then we will need to cut our dills. If you want to leave out some greens, you can do it, but please don't leave out the dill. okay? Because dill, I think, gives this soup the greatest texture and taste and everything. Dill is super nice green herb. Okay. Don't be shy, use a lot of greens. If you want to make more greens here, you can put a little bit of beetroot leaves as well, small beetroot leaves. If you like some rucola, you can put a little bit of rucola as well for extra kick. And we have to mix it. I think I need to compose some song about mixings, because I usually what to do in my videos are just saying that you need to mix something. And we need to take our eggs and cut them in the cubes as well. See, my egg yolk is a little bit runny, but that's okay. It's really good as well. And you just need to cut in the cube. I think if your egg yolk, of course, it's not really runny, but if it's a little bit runny, it's okay. It's give more extra deliciousness in your soup as well. And cut this egg as well. Oh, of course, I don't remember, and you don't remind me again, how we can work together. Okay, and you don't remind me how we can work together if you don't remind me what I need to do. Of course, you can put some chives or green onions, but my family don't like the chives or green onions or oniony stuff, and that's why I leave it out. But green onions will be the best choice for this soup as well. Dill and green onions. Okay, mixing as well, but do not overmix, just mix till it's combined. And then you need to shake it till you make it, and open your yogurt, plant-based yogurt or kefir, and place it on the bowl. Okay, and be carefully. This is such a nice color for this soup. I think it's amazing. And you need to check out the consistency, because if you prefer more liquidy soup, you need to put more kefir, or if you like more strong, you need to just less. I put the 1 liter. 1 liter for that is okay. And from this bowl you can eat, I think, not from this bowl, but I think 3 or 4 persons can eat. And this soup I think will be the best for 3 till 4 servings, like 250 grams for each serving. Okay, you mix it, and then what you need to do it, try it. Okay, you need to try it. It's so fresh. Don't worry, the soup will be eaten by my family. That's why I ate and put the spoon back, but you don't need to do it. I need some salt, because we put a little bit. I think this basil is so nice. I used to just put the basil. Put the basil on. Some pepper, because sometimes I like to some kick. And for example, if you have pepper with lemon, that's the best. And a little bit of lemon juice as well. Remember, you need to try it. You said, but before you said that, no, you need to try it. For example, I put some teaspoon as well. If you like some spicy, you can put the jalapeno pepper as well. And the best, this soup will be if you leave it 30-50 minutes in the fridge. Okay, 15, maybe 10 or 5. No, please leave it for 20 minutes or 30 even in the fridge, because these flavors will soaked and they will mix together and it will be more delicious. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I really need to soak more. Okay, it's done. Okay, the soup is done. But the best, if you can leave the soup per night in your fridge as well, it will be most delicious cold soup in the world. But you can eat it right now as well. But more you can left to soak, the more it will be delicious. I usually eat this soup from this beautiful plate. Just pour some soup. You see, my soup is quite thin. No, thick. And then you can eat with some mashed avocado. You can use the toast as well. For me is this whole grain stuff, and of course avocado and pepper, and then you can eat your breakfast, dinner or lunch or snack or whatever you want. I hope you will like this recipe. I hope you will make it, love them, taste them and enjoy them. Bye.